Don't expect Bitcoin fireworks ahead of New Year, traders say, as BTC ETFs lose $420m. The broad-based CoinDesk 20, CD20, an index tracking the largest tokens by market capitalization, minus stablecoins, lost 2.7% in the past 24 hours. BY Shaurya MalwaUpdated December 31, 2024, 8 a.m. UTCPublished December 31, 2024, 7:59 a.m. UTC. Bearish trading in Bitcoin BTC markets continued late Monday as the asset briefly fell under $92,000 on profit-taking despite another mammoth MicroStrategy purchase, recovering to just over $92,800 as of Asian morning hours Tuesday. Powered by 00:03/47:171041.4K3 Kango, Halliburton's Bitcoin mining play, rhodium lawsuit, and strategic BTC reserve, STLP0 fill. Hashtag FF3E5F. .ST1 fill. Hashtag FEF. .ST2 fill. Hashtag FF3E5F. Shared ALSX. 1. Isolation. Isolate. CLSX. 2. Fill. Hashtag FF3E5F. CLSX. 3. Fill. Hashtag FFF. Next day, some traders expect the current price action to likely continue until February, weeks after President-elect Donald Trump takes office in the U.S. and sets into motion a barrage of policies that may help the market. We are skeptical of any New Year fireworks, especially with funding healthy. Traders at Singapore-based QCP Capital said in a Telegram broadcast. January's average returns, plus 3.3%, are relatively similar to December's, plus 4.8%. And we could expect spot to remain in this range in the near term before things start to pick from February onwards. Options flows are also reflecting similar sentiments, with front-end vols drifting lower and risk reversals most bid for calls in March, partly due to significant March, 120K to 130K, calls bought last Friday. They added, this means traders are betting on Bitcoin prices going up in March. They're buying more call options, which profit if the stock rises, than put options. The cost of these options is going down, showing optimism for the March period. BTC is on track to end December down 4%. Its worst since 2021, as both retail investors and long-term holders cash out positions after a 117% yearly surge. Elsewhere, readings of the U.S. Chicago PMI indicate an economic slowdown, adding pressure on the market that tends to be correlated to such data. In what looks to have been its final purchase of the year, Bitcoin development company MicroStrategy increased its BTC stash for the 8th consecutive week on Monday, adding another 2,138 BTC for $209 million in the week ended December 29. That brought its total holdings to 446,400 BTC. But news of the buying did little to stem losses. BTC prices slumped in the hours following MicroStrategy's announcement, while shares of the company fell 8% to their lowest since early November. The fall spread over to majors, with Ether, ETH, XRP, Solana's SOL and Cardano's ADA falling as much as 3% before recovering. BNB Chain's BNB was little changed, while memecoins Dogecoin, Doge and Shiba Inu, SHIB, fell 5%. The broad-based CoinDesk 20, CD20, an index tracking the largest tokens by market capitalization, minus stablecoins, lost 2.7% in the past 24 hours. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, holding the asset recorded $420 million in outflows in their second last day of trading ahead of the new year, data shows. Fidelity's FBTC lost $154 million to lead outflows, followed by Grayscale's GBTC at $130 million and BlackRock's IBIT at $36 million. The products have recorded more than $1.5 billion in net outflows since December 19, pausing an impressive run in the first half of the month that saw nearly $2 billion in net inflows. Large outflows can reflect a shift in investor sentiment, possibly moving toward a more cautious or bearish outlook on Bitcoin's short-term performance.